Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting your assets and access ready, sign into Voicethread, and confirm your role so permissions match. Once done, open the PowerPoint you want to upload and save it as a PPTX, keeping any linked media in the same folder so nothing breaks. Make sure your browser or device has microphone and camera permissions enabled. That prevents interruptions when you record. If you plan to record slides individually, decide your order now so recording flows without loads. Now upload the PPTX into Voicethread. Choose Create, Upload, then select your file. Once uploaded, inspect thumbnails and slide order, rearrange or delete any pages that don't belong. For each slide, click Comment to record audio or add video. Record short, focused remarks so listeners can digest one idea at a time. Use the playback preview to confirm sync between your narration and visuals. Make sure to save after several slides. Saving frequently prevents lost recordings if your connection drops. Finish by reviewing the whole Voicethread start to finish, listening for pacing and clarity. Set privacy and commenting options based on your audience, then invite participants via email or a direct share link so they can view and respond. Once shared, monitor comments and update slides if feedback requires changes. If a recording sounds off or is missing, re-record that individual slide. Also confirm microphone selection in Voicethread and browser permissions, and reload the page before trying again so cache is clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.